Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about chapter 5 Industries part 1. Let's see what is industry. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals or the provision of services. Now let's see the classification of industry. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. Now let's see raw materials. Raw materials industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based and forest-based depending on the type of raw materials they use. This raw materials further they categorized into 4 groups. They are agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, marine-based industries and forest-based industries. Now let's see agro-based industries. Agro-based industries use plant and animal-based products as their raw materials. Example, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy products and leather. Now let's see the mineral based industry. Mineral based industry uses mineral ores as their raw material. Example, iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry. Now let's see the marine based industry. This industry use sea and oceans has raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Now let's see forest based industries. Utilize forest produce as raw materials. The industries associated with the forest are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture and buildings. Now let's see the second category, size. It refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed and the volume of production. Based on size, industries can be classified into further 2 categories, that is small scale and large scale industries. Cottage or household industries are a type of small scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. Basket weaving of cottage industry. Small scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology. Large scale industries that produce large volumes of products, investment of capital is higher and the technology used is superior in large scale industries. Production of automobiles and heavy machinery are large scale industries. Examples are sugar factory, cement factory, paper factory, etc. Now let's see ownership. Industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned or public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Let's see private sector industries. These are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industry. Now let's see the cooperative sector. Industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy are a success stories of cooperative venture. Now let's see factors affecting location of industries. The factors affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport and market. Industries are situated where some or all of these factors are easily available. Sometimes the government provides incentives like subsidized power, lower transport cost, and other infrastructure, so that kind industries may be located in backward areas. Industrialization often leads to development and growth of towns and cities. Now let me explain the worksheet. The first question is what is meant by the term industry. The second one is explain the classification of industry. The last one is which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry. Once you're done with the homework, send it to the WhatsApp group Social Science Class 8 NAPS. The timings are 6 to 8 in the evening. Bye children. Take care.